when you put in that initial take and bake, eventually the nutrients are going to deplete, right? So when do you put in your first feeding, and what does it consist of?
I stick with the craft blend, the 352. That's just, I think it's 15 of their favorite ingredients that they made work and all in one. And that's pretty much it. As far as top dressing, I do craft blend. If I do a defoliation or a chop and drop, I'll throw some kashi blend on there with there's just a compost accelerator, kind of get everything active and going. But as far as feedings, I just stick to the ferments. I do give a little bit of Build a Bloom in the middle of flour, which is a water soluble. I just mix in the chapin and water in. It's got amino acids and really built on getting calcium, phosphorus, and potassium available. So, but other than feedings, I really don't do much. I do the re-amend, water treats on weekend, and that's it. And so far, I've had luck. That's why I think I'm going to get a soil test where I get too deep and realize, oh, man, I just depleted everything. Because Jeremy does talk about, feeding the whole buffet and letting the plant do what it's want and never let it run out and kind of stay up on top of that balance. So balance is everything when it comes to these organic beds. It really is.
Yeah, I've been using the craft blend for several years, and that's an awesome mix to be able to just use that. I top test every 30 days. Is it every 30 days you're typically doing it, kind of according to the instructions, or are you doing something else in regards to the top dressing of craft blend and other amendments?
Well, no, I mean, I really don't have a schedule. I think that's one thing that drew me from synthetic to organic was, you see Jeremy dumping the whatever he's feeding it in his hand. He's not even measuring it. He's just going for it. And that's kind of been my mentality. I don't top dress at all during my grow. I simply just water only for the most part, and then re-amend, accordingly. Watch the plant, which it stayed green the whole time, so it didn't tell me nothing. So I kind of just, watched a little more content videos from you guys and kind of made my own balanced recipe and re-amended that. And so far, so good.
That's awesome. It sounds like it was pretty hands-off, or a little bit easier than it is working with synthetics, where you're mixing up nutrients, different formula every week. Oftentimes, it's easier to just go water only a lot of the times here with the organics. It sounds like that's what you did for last grow and this grow.
Yes. Yep. And even when I ran the Chill Out OG in the 7 gallons, it was just Build a Soil 3.0, and I watered only. And added some things on the weekends, and they flourished. So I'm very excited to see them in the 3x3 bed.
That's awesome. Yeah, these soil mixes that are out there that are water only just makes it so much easier. It really does. This clip is brought to you by AC Infinity. Use discount code MrGrow at 15 to save on any of their products.